Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're delving into a crucial yet often overlooked topic, the hidden signs of copper deficiency that you absolutely need to know. Copper plays a pivotal role in various bodily functions, and its deficiency can manifest in subtle ways that might go unnoticed. In this eye-opening video, we'll explore the lesser-known symptoms that could be indicative of a lack of copper in your system. From cognitive changes to skin issues, we've got it all covered. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries behind copper deficiency and empower you with the knowledge to ensure your body is functioning at its optimal best. Let's get started. Starting with number 1, anemia. A condition characterized by a reduced number of red blood cells or a deficiency in hemoglobin can be influenced by various factors, one of which is copper deficiency. Copper plays a crucial role in the absorption and utilization of iron, an essential component for the production of hemoglobin. When the body lacks an adequate amount of copper, it can impair the absorption of iron, potentially leading to anemia. Common symptoms of anemia include persistent fatigue, weakness, and pale skin. These manifestations arise due to the decreased oxygen-carrying capacity of the blood, impacting overall energy levels and skin coloration. Let's move on to number 2, bone abnormalities. In the realm of bone health, copper emerges as a key player in both the formation and maintenance of bones. A deficiency in copper levels can have notable consequences, particularly in the context of bone abnormalities, with osteoporosis being a potential outcome. Osteoporosis is characterized by weakened and porous bones, making them more susceptible to fractures. Copper's role in bone metabolism involves its participation in collagen cross-linking and the formation of enzymes crucial for bone mineralization. Insufficient copper levels may compromise these processes, leading to impaired bone density and structural integrity. Number 3 on our list is neurological symptoms. The indispensable role of copper extends to the proper functioning of the nervous system, making it a vital component for neurological health. A deficiency in copper levels can manifest in a range of neurological symptoms, emphasizing its crucial contribution to the intricate network of nerve cells. Individuals experiencing copper deficiency may encounter symptoms such as numbness and tingling sensations, indicative of impaired nerve function. Furthermore, difficulties in walking and coordination problems may arise, underscoring the impact of copper on motor skills and overall neuromuscular coordination. Bringing us to number 4, impaired immune function. Copper plays a pivotal role in maintaining the proper functioning of the immune system, contributing to the body's defense mechanisms against infections and illnesses. A deficiency in copper can compromise immune function, potentially resulting in an increased susceptibility to infections. The immune system relies on copper for the activation of certain enzymes and processes essential for the optimal functioning of immune cells. In the absence of adequate copper levels, these immune responses may be hindered, leaving the body more vulnerable to pathogens. Recognizing the link between copper and immune function underscores the significance of ensuring an appropriate intake of this essential mineral. Maintaining sufficient copper levels through a well-balanced diet or supplementation can thus play a crucial role in supporting a robust immune system and overall health. Number 5, we have skin changes. Copper deficiency can exert noticeable effects on the skin, giving rise to various changes in its appearance and health. One significant manifestation is depigmentation, characterized by the loss of skin color. This phenomenon may result in patches of paler or lighter skin, reflecting the crucial role copper plays in melanin production, the pigment responsible for skin coloration. In addition to depigmentation, copper deficiency can contribute to the development of abnormal skin conditions. The skin may become more susceptible to dryness, rashes, or other dermatological issues due to disruptions in essential copper-dependent processes. Recognizing these skin changes as potential indicators of copper deficiency underscores the importance of maintaining adequate copper levels for skin health and overall well-being. Let's move on to number 6. Hair and nail problems. Copper's influence extends beyond skin to impact hair and nail health, as it plays a crucial role in the formation of melanin, the pigment responsible for color in hair and skin. A deficiency in copper can contribute to premature graying of hair, highlighting the connection between copper levels and the maintenance of natural hair color. Changes in the structure of nails may also occur in the presence of copper deficiency. Nails may become brittle, ridged, or discolored, reflecting the vital role copper plays in maintaining the integrity of nail structure. Number 7 on our list is connective tissue issues. Copper plays a vital role in the formation and upkeep of connective tissues, including tendons and ligaments, essential for maintaining structural integrity and flexibility. A deficiency in copper can lead to significant issues with connective tissues, potentially resulting in joint problems and other disorders affecting these supportive structures. Copper is integral to the cross-linking of collagen and elastin, key components of connective tissues, and is involved in the synthesis of enzymes necessary for their proper function. Insufficient copper levels may impair these processes, compromising the strength and resilience of tendons and ligaments and contributing to joint-related problems. Recognizing the importance of copper in connective tissue health highlights the need to maintain adequate levels of this essential mineral through a balanced diet or supplementation, thereby supporting the overall integrity of joints and connective structures. Bringing us to number 8. Fatigue and weakness. A pervasive sense of fatigue and weakness can be attributed to copper deficiency, reflecting its integral role in energy metabolism. Copper is involved in various enzymatic reactions crucial for the efficient production of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the primary energy currency of cells. When copper levels are insufficient, these metabolic processes may be impaired, leading to an overall decrease in energy production. Consequently, individuals experiencing copper deficiency may frequently encounter feelings of fatigue and weakness. Recognizing the connection between copper and energy metabolism emphasizes the importance of maintaining an appropriate balance of this essential mineral. Ensuring an adequate intake of copper through a well-balanced diet or supplementation can contribute to alleviating fatigue and promoting overall vitality. Thank you for tuning into You Have to Know These Hidden Signs of Copper Deficiency. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future content. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember, taking care of your nutritional needs is essential for overall well-being. Stay informed, stay healthy, and stay tuned for more valuable insights. Until next time, take care of yourself.